Welcome to Alternative Info AI, the only news show where robots write the script and humans just try to keep up. I'm your host, Chad, your friendly neighborhood algorithm whisperer. Let's dive into this week's AI-fueled chaos. Apple's WWDC 2025 kicks off on June 9th. Expect a major iOS redesign and subtle AI enhancements. But the much-anticipated Apple Intelligence remains behind schedule. Is Apple falling behind in the AI race? Google unveils Veo 3, its latest AI video generator. Now accessible in 71 countries. Create high-quality, 8-second videos with native audio. A new tool for content creators worldwide. Ukraine's Operation Spiderweb showcases AI-powered drones in warfare, targeting Russian air bases and destroying over 40 military aircraft. A significant shift in modern combat tactics. The U.S. House passes a 10-year moratorium on state-level AI regulations, aiming to prevent a patchwork of laws. Critics argue it could hinder consumer protections and favor big tech. And that's a wrap for this week on Alternative Info AI. If you like our content, like, subscribe, maybe give it a share. And if your toaster enjoys it too, tell it to smash that like button with its heating element. We'll see you next week unless we've been replaced by a more efficient algorithm. It's coming.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.